Indian forces are harassing the people in the name of security for India's Republic Day to be observed on January 26. According to Kashmir Media Service, the day is observed as a black day by the Kashmiris living across the line of control and the world over. Heavy deployment of the Indian troops, paramilitary and special operation groups personnel have been deployed in Srinagar and other towns of the territory to prevent people from staging anti-India protest demonstrations in the territory. Kashmiris living in occupied Kashmir and abroad are offering unparalleled sacrifices for securing their right to self-determination. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said India had martyred over 5 lakh Kashmiris since 1947. It maintained that the Indian troops had martyred over 96,000 Kashmiri men, women and the teenagers, including 7,325 in custody and fake encounters, and subjected at least 8,000 others to custodial disappearances since 1989 till date. Turning from being a secular to Hindutva country under the RSS-BJP nexus, India has become a great threat to its minorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, political experts and analysts in their interviews while commenting on the inauguration of the Ram Temple built on the debris of the centuries-old Babri Masjid said that minorities are persecuted psychologically, physically and economically in India today. Senior All-Party Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has expressed opposition to India's Republic Day celebrations in the occupied territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, Rahmani, in a statement issued in Islamabad today, emphasized that the people of Jammu and Kashmir categorically reject the festivities in the occupied territory. Nisar Ahmed, a Muslim employee of the Jal Shakti Department, was discovered dead under mysterious circumstances in the Rajouri district on Tuesday. According to Kashmir Media Service, Nisar Ahmed, who had gone to inspect the water supply yesterday afternoon, failed to return back. His family, after a futile search, received information through social media about the discovery of his body in the area. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister for Human Rights and Women Empowerment, Mishal Hussain Malik, has lashed out at the RSS BJP-inspired Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for inaugurating the Ram Temple at the site of the demolished 5 centuries-old Babri Masjid at Ayodhya, calling it the Muslim world to boycott India for wiping out all the traces of the Muslim or the Islamic civilization from the Indian country. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mishal Hussain Malik, in her strong reaction, stated that the notorious Modi was using the inauguration of the Ram Temple event as a political gimmick.